Welcome! In this video, we'll walk you through configuring Google Consent Mode using the Google Tag Manager template. With GTM's simple interface and WebToffee's template, you can easily set up compliant data collection and manage tag firing based on user consent. From the WordPress dashboard, go to Cookie Consent, select the Google Consent Mode tab. Turn on the Google Consent Mode option to enable the consent mode. Enable the Manage Consent mode via the GTM template option. This ensures Google Consent Mode is configured through the Google Tag Manager template. Step 2. Adding WebToffee CMP template in GTM. Log in to your Google Tag Manager account and click on Templates. Click on Search Gallery in the Tag Templates section. In the search bar, type WebToffee CMP. From the results, select WebToffee CMP. Click Add to Workspace to include the template in your GTM setup. Step 3. Configure WebToffee CMP Tag. In Google Tag Manager, create a new tag. Click Tag Configuration. From the list, choose WebToffee's CMP as the tag type. Under Triggering, select Consent Initialization All Pages. Give the tag a name, for example, WebToffee CMP. Click Save to finalize. Now let's take a closer look at the granular consent settings and advanced options. Open the WebToffee CMP Tag configuration interface. Use the default consent settings to define the region-wise default consent states. Adjust the Wait for Update field to set the waiting time in milliseconds before the template applies and reflects the updated consent states. Enable Pass Ads Click information through URLs. If you want ad click data to be passed between web pages for tracking purposes. Turn on Redact Ads data to ensure that when a user withdraws consent for advertisements, any previously stored ads data is automatically removed. That's it! You've now seen how to configure Google Consent Mode using the WebToffee GTM template. We hope this walkthrough made the setup easier for you.